Hey, it's JC and welcome to Small Brick City. This is episode 2 of the Small Brick Town project. Today we'll be showcasing a bike shop which is a modification of the Lego Bike Shop and Cafe set 31026. The goal of the Small Brick Town project is to build mini modular buildings that fit into a 12 stud wide by 16 stud deep space. All the buildings must also be modular style in the sense that they can be separated at the roof and the levels. The reason for the project is to save space and recycle official sets that we think have potential but not ideal for our Lego city. At the same time, many Lego fans who face the same space constraints or do not have the disposable income to buy large modular buildings may find these builds useful. In light of these constraints, the Small Brick Town project is a good solution to exercise creativity and get the enjoyment of building a Lego city. Let's get started with this build. As with the original bike and cafe shop, this build is also a two-story building. However, it is purely a bike shop. The cafe element has been done away with. This bike shop was designed and built by Annie for Small Brick City, and she did a phenomenal job for this MOC. It is very prominent that this is a bike shop with the red bike sign right at the front of the building, as well as all the glass which showcases bikes displayed on the inside of the building. The front facade of the ground floor follows the design of the original set, but the second floor was changed slightly. Angled window pieces from a friend's set were used to create the two 45-degree angle windows on either side of the build. We added different colors of curved slope pieces just to give more color and a sense of fun. The back has a very straightforward and clean look with two windows on the ground floor and a set of three windows on the second floor. And all these windows were taken from the original bike shop and cafe set. Let's have a look at the top view of the build. The roof follows the essence of the design of the original build. There's a skylight access door which is made out of a regular doorway and door built with a slot technique. The small barbecue pit is also from the original set. One main modification is that the roof can be removed just like a modular style building. The second floor of the building is made out of a small office space for the owner as well as storage space for the bike shop, as evidenced by the small crate of bicycle wheels at the corner. There are steps leading down from the roof to this floor. You'll notice that this was built as a loft or a split floor, with half of the floor being a complete void from the ground level all the way to the roof. The front section of the second floor is purely for display. As you can see, the green bike set at a tilted angle with the use of a hinge plate. On one side, a ladder provides access from the second floor loft down to the ground floor. Let's have a look at the main bike shop. The ground floor serves as the main bike shop. It comprises of two main sections, a bike shop area where bikes are sold, as well as a repair workshop. You can see the various bikes and bike frames on display on the various stands and holders on one side of the store. Annie came up with various ways to display the bikes to make the shop look more interesting and not so one-dimensional. The back of the store is the main workshop. You can see wall-mounted hand tools at the back and a workbench at the corner, which includes various equipment like a drill press and a vice clamp. There's also some kind of dolly or hydraulic lift mounted above the workbench. And finally, there's a ladder which gives access to the second floor loft. I hope you enjoyed this video on how we maximize space in creating this bike shop for Small Brick Town project. Be sure to also check out our corner deli video to see how we modified it to fit the project as well. Leave a comment, like this video, and subscribe to the channel. Also head over to smallbrickcity.com for more great Lego stuff. Till next time, talk to you soon.